Hi guys, Tony here, and thank you for purchasing Hangout Traffic Commando. This is just a brief introduction video as you enter the member site, and I just want to give you an overview of what to expect inside the member site, okay? A couple of things very important. First of all, if you need support, use the support desk, okay? Do not use a Facebook group for support. That is for training only. We can use that for strategy questions. We can use it for various different things related to training, okay? I don't want any support tickets in there at all. I don't want anybody complaining in there. It's there for support. It's there for training only, okay? For support, we have restructured things this week. Okay, what's happened this week is we have taken one extra person to help with support, to answer, and we have also taken on one extra coder who is doing nothing but support and maintenance, okay? That means his full-time job is getting onto Skype with people with technical issues, using TeamViewer to connect to your computer to fix any technical issues, and maybe if you get stuck on something, he can show you how it works, okay? That's his full-time job. Right, and we have yet to one case when we used TeamViewer that we couldn't get people going, okay? Every single time it's just been human error, they didn't understand something quite basic, or there was something in the settings for Internet Explorer, for example, okay? So with this new structure, we should be able to get everybody up and running very smoothly. You will not be waiting for support. And if you need technical support, I have one guy there who's there to do that job. And the other part of his job is working on maintenance of all the softwares at the same time, okay? So if there's a problem with the Commando HQ tool, that's his job to fix it. If there's a problem with a tool in HTC, he will fix that as well, okay? And that's the way we have restructured it, so you should be able to get support really fast, and at the same time you can get technical assistance as well, okay? So next, what I want to talk about is the structure of the membership site. Okay, now what we're going to do is, you can see here we've got a bunch of tools on the left hand side inside Hangout Traffic Commando. Some of these might be very familiar with to you, but there's been some changes in quite a few of these, okay? And we've got some new things as well. Now, we are by no means finished with these tools. This is version 1.0, and anybody who's purchased any of my softwares, whether it's Commando HQ, whether it's Social Traffic Commando, Social Bookmark Commando, will know that we often work on these to make them better, whether it's adding new sites, whether it's tweaking the strategies or whatever, and we just keep making them better and adding new tools and new features so that we can get the best out of them, okay? That will not change as far as what we're going to be doing with Hangout Traffic Commando. In fact, we've got 2 or 3 tools that should be added in here within the next month, okay? But don't hold me to that if it's 2 weeks late. If it's 2 weeks late, it's been held back because we're making it work properly, okay? Anyway, so what you're going to see in the membership area is a tab similar to what you can see in the software. It will replicate what's in the software, where you can see the name of the software, the tool. Inside that tab, you will have 2 videos at least, okay? One video will be a strategy overview video of what the software does and what it can do for you. The second video will be me using the tool in a real campaign, okay? And I think it's very important that I do a real campaign so that you can see how I use the tool and how my mind is working as I'm doing optimization things, okay? I think it's far better value than me saying, well, you click this button here and you get that kind of result, and then you can do this or you can do that. Just watch me use it in a real situation. You'll get far more benefit from it. And if you've got any questions on the strategy, by all means, ask in the Facebook group and I will answer, okay? If you're not in the Facebook group, what you need to do is you need to friend me on Facebook. We have one main Facebook group. It's called Commando HQX. It's a secret group, and the only way that you can get in there is if I add you in there. So what you need to do is friend me on Facebook. My ID or profile ID is Tony Hayes Thailand. And when you friend me there, send me a PM at the same time saying, please add me to Commando HQX group, okay? And I will add you in there as soon as I see it, okay? But I'm not in there 24 hours. In fact, I might even go missing for a day or two while I'm working on things like videos or tutorials or training or support or whatever, okay? So just be patient. You will get added in there, and everybody will get a lot of benefit from everything happening inside one group rather than having splinter groups all over the place that I cannot manage, okay? And we talk about some very, very cool stuff in that group anyway, so here we go. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just reiterate what was inside the members area. You will see inside here tabs that look like these on the left hand side. Inside every tab you will have 2 videos at least. One video is a strategy video on what the software is built for, what was in my mind when I created it, the strategies that you can do with it, and another video, me using the tool in action. Okay, so hopefully that's very, very clear and there's no confusion. And also, if you need any support, you know where to get support now as well. So I'll see you in the next video.